Okay, here we are, room 1603. I believe this is a junior suite ocean view. There's this control panel that controls all the lights. And when you walk in, there's a nice little luggage rack. And immediately, a couple very nice closets. When you open them up, they light up. A couple drawers for your drawers. A hers closet. Nice shelving. Very cool artwork. Secrets Divine. Divine being a wine theme. So if you could see these broken wine glasses, pretty cool. And then here. Uh-oh, look who we found. Beautiful.
All right, I'm gonna evaluate this bed. We've been here a couple nights. I've slept great. The bed is very comfortable and they have a pillow menu. So I got on the iPad right here. They give you this iPad in the room, okay? And I just got on this iPad and I clicked on it and pillow menu. You just pick your pillow, boom, hit request, and within like 20 minutes, someone's knocking at the door with fresh, down-filled, feather fluff pillows. Brought us 3 of them. Very comfortable. So as far as the bed goes, after a long day in the sun, you can just lay back, relax, and get some Z's.
This chair is super comfortable.
Long day at the pool, come back to your room and try this reading chair. I mean, it's perfectly contoured to your body and so comfortable. You could just sit here, check your messages, check your email, and hey, while you're at it, take a selfie. Because this chair is super comfortable and it's right by the window, so I have a beautiful view of the Caribbean Sea. Doesn't get any better than this.
Couple nightstands. Plenty of outlets. There's an outlet back there. I always bring this charging station because we have so many devices. But if you don't have one of those, can you open that closet? There's another closet here.
I feel like Vanna White.
Anna, show us the closet.
I don't know if she turns her back to the camera.
And there's a safe. Okay.
You want to see what's over here
A
too?
little living room area. What's in there?
The fridge, minibar.
Oh, that's right. Open that fridge.
Okay.
The fridge is always stocked with fresh sodas, water, cerveza, whatever you want. And then above that is the wife's favorite spot where she keeps her hat and jewelry and stuff like that. And then there's a full-length mirror here. Beautiful TV here.
Want me to open this up for you though?
And this is a ginormous shower that's like in the middle of your room, which is pretty cool. It's glass, but it is private with this screen here. They have a little coffee station with an espresso machine. And then through here is your baño, aka bathroom. pretty cool ladder shelf that holds your towels. They provide you with robes and slippers. Here's a nice little bench to get ready to go out. A special vanity mirror with magnification and lights up.
So when it's time to go out for dinner, ladies, you got a nice bench here and a beautiful vanity mirror with a little magnifying light up mirror to put your makeup on. It's perfect for getting ready. And not one, but 2 sinks so that you can both brush your teeth at the same time, because nobody wants that nasty breath in Mexico. Bathroom area, 2 thumbs up.
Double sinks. Here's the water closet where you can do your business.
Just in case you want a little privacy to do your business, they have a little water closet. And if you got some real important business to tend to, there's a telephone in there. Never quite understood this one, but we got it. 2 thumbs up. There's a shower right in the middle of the room. Okay, there's a shower right there in the middle of the room. Never seen anything like it. Now, it's frosted, so there's a little bit of privacy, but you probably want to come here with a loved one. It's got a rain shower above. It's got a normal shower head on the side. You could turn them on both. The water gets absolutely scalding hot if you want it to, so there's no problem with warm water. It's a great shower. So, as far as the shower goes, 2 thumbs up.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and go into the shower because I want you to see how crazy big it is. First of all, there's a regular shower head. And up here, there's a rain shower head. Normally you gotta toggle back and forth, but at this resort, there are 2 separate controls. You could actually have them both operating at the same time. I can attest to the fact that the water is very hot. All right, I'm in the shower. At the one side, I'm gonna take a walk. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. A good 4 steps from one end to the other. You can see how massive, I don't know. After a shower, they provide you with beautiful shower robes and even a nice shower cap if you don't want to get your hair wet. All the Secrets amenities with that spa smell that gets you so fresh before you go out. They even have slippers. This place is great. 2 thumbs up. You could probably
We could have a party in the shower.
bring a chair in here and read a book. There's a scale because at these all-inclusives, it's unlimited food and you want to make sure you're gaining the proper amount of weight. We love Secrets because they provide incense that smell amazing. And the Secrets brand of amenities smells like spa. And then the balcony. Now since we got here, we're in the middle of a tropical depression, so it's been raining pretty good. What's cool is these doors open. This one opens this way. This one opens this way. And it really, you could just leave them open and it's like you're inside out. And on this side, I'm not sure what this is, waterway, like, I don't know what it's called, I'm not even gonna try to make it up. But that is the Preferred Club Pool rooftop. Down below, pool number 1, pool number 2, and over there is pool number 3. But here is the shot. The water is absolutely beautiful. You got all the blues We're gonna come back out here and shoot some more video when the sun's shining, because that even makes the water look better.
How about this balcony? I mean, blue water in the background, the sound of the waves. The waves are crashing against the shore. There's plenty of comfortable seating out here. I don't know. I think we found paradise.
Nice seating out here. But I really love how these doors both open. And the one good thing about this storm right now is it's probably only like 80 degrees with a huge breeze. So it's not that crazy heat. So you could really just kind of kick back in here, watch a movie if you want, and listen to the ocean. But it's pretty remarkable. So go ahead and comment down below what you think about this room. It's beautiful. Where is it?
Hi.
Oh, it's housekeeping. Isn't she cute?